Everyone thinks AI in music means that AI just makes the music for you, but they're actually kind of wrong. Let's talk about Suno for an example. There's two sides to the Suno app. Most people only usually touch one. Side one is you're typing a vibe, upbeat summer pop song about a road trip. Hit generate, done. Yeah, it might slap, but AI did the heavy lifting, right? That's cool for like content, maybe demos, or having fun. And that's what people are running off with when they think of AI music. But there's a whole other side that they don't realize. That one is way different. Suno calls it the world's first generative audio workstation. Think GarageBand meets Pro Tools. Suno Studio requires you to know what you're doing. There's multi-track timelines, stems, drums, bass, vocals, melody, all separate, all editable. Somebody like me, I'm going to look at that and go, Chinese. They don't understand. I don't know how to speak to it. You can export to a MIDI, drop it into Ableton and Logic, whatever you create in there. You can separate things out, replace basslines, swap the snare, all that good stuff, right? But you have to know when to hear something is off. You have to know how to connect those things. You have to know why this side sounds muddy and why this one doesn't. You need to understand music arrangement. You have to understand why things need to breathe, why things feel crowded. There's so many other aspects to music creation that you have to know to be able to use the tool. That's the whole point. Suno can't replace a musician. It's replacing the barriers that kept people from making music. The app is your collaborator. You are the conductor. You're the one with the taste, with the soul, with the intention, with the ear that says, no, not this, but this. AI doesn't have the vision. You do. You have to bring it the vision. I get it. People reject naturally what they don't understand or where they grow fear. AI can hand you the ingredients all day, but you still gotta cook.